Welcome to Tai Chi for Beginners. In this sequence, you don't have to get it perfect. Just follow along the best you can. I'll be your mirror image, and you can have a seat at any time. We'll begin with the feet together or as close as you can, the hands down by the sides. And as you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front as if you're gathering in energy, bring it into the heart, and then send it down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, gather. Breathing out, directing down. Nice and easy, nice and slow. Just feeling all the sensations that you can. One more time, sink the chi. And then step one foot out to the side, either foot. The arms float up in front to about shoulder height. The arms get heavy, floating down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in like mist rising from the lake. Breathing out, floating down like a gentle rain. We call this opening the door, the start of the journey. One more time, rising up, softening down. This time the arms float out to the sides like you're spreading your wings. The arms float down, the palms face up. They float up the midline of the body, pressing up overhead, and then floating out and down, holding up the sky. Breathing in as you rise up, breathing out, letting go. Opening the shoulders and the chest, decompressing the spine. One more time, holding up the sky. This time the hands float up to the heart. One hand pushes up, the other pushes down, connecting sky and earth. And then switching sides, keeping the spine neutral at first. And then this time you can do a side bend if you like, but always easing in, never forcing it. One more time to the other side, connecting sky and earth. Then the bottom hand comes up, push to the corner, the other hand pushes behind. Coming back to center, push to the other corner, the dragon spreads its wings. Nice and easy, gentle rotation, pushing to the corner. One more time. And then from here, the back hand swings around as if it's gliding on the surface of the water. The other hand comes around as the dragon swings its tail. It's like you're making little ripples in the water, sending waves out into the distance. One more time, drift across. And then round out the arms as if you're hugging a big tree, bring it right to the center. Then shift all your weight over to one side, draw the hands in towards the heart as you step in, step out to the corner as you push forwards in space. Shift back as you draw the hands in, and then push forward, pushing the mountain. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, pushing the mountain. This time, draw the hands in, the palms face each other. The hands go out to the corner, the palms face away from each other. They open, circling out and around, scooping under, and then back out to the corner, parting the clouds. Breathing in as you open, breathing out, or taking as many breaths as you need. Just keep on breathing. It's my only rule, is that you do breathe. One more time, parting the clouds. And then step the front foot back in. The hands come back in towards the heart. Shift the weight and step in. And then step out to the other corner, pushing the mountain. Nice and easy, nice and slow. No rush, nowhere to go. Can you be here now? Just moving mindfully. One more time, pushing the mountain. And then draw the hands in, the palms face each other. The hands go out to the corner, the palms face away from each other. They open, circling out and around, scooping under, and then back out to the corner, parting the clouds. See if you can feel the air between the fingers. How mindful can you be? Breathing in, open. Breathing out one more time, parting the clouds. And then step the front foot back in, hug the tree, bring it right to the center. And then from here, both arms drift over to the side and down. And then just drifting side to side, like tall grass in the breeze. Nice gentle sway. And then shift all your weight over to one side, tap the heel right out in front, like you're testing out the water. Bring it back in, shift the weight, other side, tap the heel. This time tap the heel, the hand comes over the foot. Other side, tap the heel, the hand comes over the foot. This time, hand over the foot, the other hand in front of the heart, playing the pipa, the Chinese guitar. Other side, tap the heel, the hands come out in front, breathing in, breathing out. One more time, play the pipa, the Chinese guitar. And then step back in, hug the tree, step one foot out a little bit wider, and then from here the arms open wide, the wrists cross down low as you soften down, and then as you rise up, the arms open overhead, floating all the way out and down, gathering the energy from the earth, giving it back to the sky above, harmonizing yin and yang, creating balance and harmony in the body and mind. One more time, harmonize yin and yang. And then reverse direction with the arms, circle in front, hug the tree, step one foot in a little bit closer, and then shift all your weight over to one side and step in, step out to the corner, and as you step out, the arms open out to the sides. And as you shift back, the front knee straightens, the wrists cross, hinging from the hips, the arms float out to the sides. Then cross the wrists again, shift forward, and open. We call this the butterfly. Keeping the spine nice and long, hinging from the hips. The arms go out to the sides, crossing the wrists again. And open one more time, the butterfly. Take a bow, flutter the wings. Cross the wrists, and open. This time, step the front foot back in, hug the tree right out in front. Shift your weight over to one side, step in, step out to the corner. The arms open as the front knee bends. Then shift the weight back, cross the wrists, hinge from the hips. The arms go out to the sides. Cross the wrists again, and open. The front knee can bend. Sit back, cross the wrists, hinging from the hips. You don't have to go very low, just being kind to yourself, please. The arms open. One more time, the butterfly. Take a bow, spread the wings. And then cross the wrists, shift forward and open. From here, step the front foot back in and hug the tree. I love the hugs. And the arms open wide. The hands float down, the backs of the hands face each other. They float up the midline of the body and then drift out to the sides. The fountain. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, letting go. How much can you let go? As we learn to move like water, soft but powerful. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, the fountain. This time, step one foot in, a little bit closer, coming on the ball of the foot, and the arms float out to the sides like a beautiful bird we call the crane. And you can keep your toe down, or this time you can lift it up, touching down as needed. And then the arms can reach up and over just as much as you can comfortably. And then stepping down, other side, the crane. But just the arms at first, breathing in, breathing out. And then you can keep the foot down or you can lift it up, just meeting yourself where you're at. You can always go forward from there. And the arms can reach up and over. And then stepping down, reverse direction with the arms, circle in front, hug the tree, step one foot out a little bit wider, and then from here the palms face each other in front of the heart as you soften down. The hands brush out to the side, coming all the way up and over, down the center line, planting the tree. Other side, the hands float up, coming right down the middle. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, planting the tree. And then circle the arms in front and hug the tree. Step one foot in a little bit closer. Then from here, both arms drift over to the side and down, making two loose fists. One fist overhead, the other by the waist. And then switching sides, leaning over to the side going up. And then if you like, you can gently rotate. The tiger hugs its head. This time you can lift your leg if you like, touching down as needed. Other side. breathing, moving mindfully, touching down or lifting up. Just letting go of judgment the best you can, bringing curiosity instead. And then from here, both arms float up and over, they circle all the way around, hug the tree right out in front. From here, the arms open up wide, the hands float down by the sides, then reverse direction, the arms float all the way up and over, the backs of the hands face each other, then spiral the hands around so the backs of the hands face each other again. Coming all the way up and over, backs of the hands face each other, spiral down the center, nourishing the three treasures, the mind, body, and breath. One more time, nourishing the three treasures. And then circle in front, hug the tree, step one foot a little bit wider. Then from here, the hands come together in front of the heart as you soften down. Then the fingertips guide the way out to the side, then they go out to the other side as the dragon pierces through the clouds. Just going side to side, gentle rotation, just feeling the flow and breathing. And you can continue to go side to side, or if you like, you can let the hands begin to float up towards the peak of the mountain. With each pass, maybe going a little higher, and then going all the way down to the base of the mountain, going down the mountain trail. And then tuning into the body and moving in any way that would feel great for you right now, the spontaneous dragon. So once again, bringing curiosity, just letting the energy guide you, tuning into the body's wisdom, moving in any way that would feel great for you right now. All right, one more time, spontaneous dragon. And then release, round out, hug the tree, bring it to center, step one foot in a little bit closer. And then from here, the arms open wide, the hands float down, the palms face up, one hand on top of the other. Then this hand floats all the way up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up, breathing out, centering. Calming the heart, calming the mind. One more time, centering. This time, both hands float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. Then the hands float down to the waist as you soften down. Then circle the hands in front as if you had a big ball right in front of the body, coming all the way around and under, back up to the heart and down. One more time, opening the heart, rising up, softening down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands right in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. Then the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or just keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so slightly. Bamboo in the wind. Just feeling the sensations in the body that arise. Feel the sensations of the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile. Expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And then if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can float down. You can step the feet a little bit further apart. And you can have a seat, or you can continue standing as we finish with your poem of the day. And so today's poem is one that I made called Yin-Yang Flow. In every step, we root into the earth, connected with nature since the miracle of birth. We find our way through day and night, a common humanity, whether dark or light. In stillness, we find a quiet yin, Over time, we feel the strength within. As we begin to move, the yang will rise. We gather from earth and give to the skies. Feeling present, my peace will appear. Nothing to get, it was already here. The more I let go, the more I can see that softness and strength are in harmony. Thank you so much for watching. If you like that, this class is part of our free 5-day beginner Tai Chi challenge. So just click the first link in the video description below to sign up for free, and I'll send you all the details and the challenge calendar.